Hello friends, welcome back to Google Analytics free tutorial. So we have gone through some of the basic reporting of Google Analytics in the past few videos. So one of the major metrics that we need to measure from Google Analytics is the visitors, the number of visitors. It can be um, r- uh, visitors from different places, different geographical locations, from different referral sites. So visitors, the count of the visitors is something of high importance for measuring the website traffic. So basically, one of the most key aspects of the website's visitors is to identify how many of them are new users and how many of them are returning users. So today, actually, we'll be learning how to see how to get the report for the new and the returning visitors for our website through Google Analytics. So let's have a look into it. So initially, we will be logging into our Google Analytics account and directed to the home dashboard. Okay, and from here, you again need to go through the reports link. Under that, you click on the audience link over here, and you can see a lot of links under the audience section. So just go through it, and you can see a link named behavior over here. Click on that. Yeah, so under behavior you can see three links. So the first one is what we are looking for, the new versus returning visitors. Click on that. Yeah, yeah, so here's the figure for the new and the returning visitors for our website. For example, from May 3rd to May 9th, this website has got 52 new visitors and 11 returning visitors out of a total of 58 visitors. So you can see the total visitors or users, we also say users, the total users are 58, and out of 58, 52 are new visitors and 11 of them are returning visitors, like, which means that 82 percentage of the traffic is new visitors while 17 percentage of the traffic is returning visitors. So this is a pretty interesting report, and also useful, very much useful. So this clearly says about your website's efficiency and the overall digital efficiency of the overall digital marketing activities. It means that if the returning visitors are increasing, it means that people are coming back again and again to your website just to check details on the website because they are interested in something on your website. That's keeping them that's making them return back to the website on a regular basis. And at the same time, new visitors means your website is getting a lot of um, your website is getting a good reach when it comes to organic or referral traffic. Like a lot of new visitors are seeing your website through search engines or social media or any other referral sites. So that's a good indication for your website. So after going through this report, you can see whether everything is going right with your website or is there something wrong going on with your website. So that's all for this is a basic thing. You can also further drill down to get um, more detailed information regarding this new and returning visitors. So that's all from my side for today. So if you uh, think that this video is useful for you, please like this video and also share this video among your friends and other communities. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing the channel, make sure that you click on the bell icon so that you will be getting further notification from my side whenever we upload a new video. That's all from my side. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. Till then, bye.